Okay, so this is how my day starts. I arrived at Uki in 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I immediately go to my class. This is me on my way to class. I met some friends on the way, and here I actually wanted to go. Oh, sorry, not wanted, but need. I need to go somewhere to do something important with my friends, Mulia and Christopher, and also the head of English Literature study program, Miss Mika Wijaya Saragi. We have something to attend to. So yeah, this is us on the way there. And this is the view after we went to the place that we needed to go. Yeah, this is the school. SDN Chawang 07. And then there's my other friend, David. And yeah, that's me on our way back. Yeah, after a long day at college, I finally went home on my motorcycle and Max. And this is some view and some footage from my journey back home. And yeah, I kept telling to myself the view was very nice. It was very nice. This is Sumarekon Mall Bekasi, the route that I usually went to when I go back to my home. This is some of the scenery of Sumarekon Mall Bekasi. And yeah, there were a lot of people there. Some people just wanted to eat after they got home from work. And then there's some people just wanted to go with their families, their loved ones. Here you can see also there's some people that are working as a driver, Grab driver, online taxi driver, something like that. And this is, as you can see, a lot of people here. And this is me finally arriving at my home, Alaman Regency. Yeah, so this is my the road on my way home. As you can see, there was still a lot of people actually in this time. It was like 9 o'clock, I think. Yeah, but on my block it was quite empty because people are, I think, watching Indonesia and Bahrain, so that they are not outside. And this is my home. After I arrived, so I thought to myself, why not do some house tour? So this is some picture of me and my families, my dad, my mom. This is my living room, my guitar. This is some collection of my father's drinks, my perfumes, me and my family's perfumes that are not used anymore, some stuff, and my mother's collection of bags. She really likes bags. So yeah, this is toys, my brother's toys. And then the trophies from me and my brothers when we were a child. This is my dinner table. And then this is my room. Boo. Voila. Yeah, it's just simple yet I don't know, it was pretty good room, I think. And after I arrived, I packed my bags, and then I went to eat. Of course, I'm quite hungry at the moment. So yeah, my mother cooked some food. It's called migomak from Batak. It was perfect. Nice job, mom. Okay, this is me after I eat my meal for dinner, and I look kinda dumb right now because I'm quite tired because I'm full, because my mom's cook are the best thing in the world. And right now, after eating, I feel like playing before go to sleep. I usually play some games if I'm bored, or if I don't have anything to do. If I have something to do, then I will do that thing, and then after that I play the game. Or if I don't have to do something, so this is what I do. Let me show you the game. Okay, so this is the game that I told you earlier. It's called Tekken 7. It is a fighting game. As you can see here, we are at the character selection screen. and there are a lot of characters here that you can use, by the way. It varies from a woman, a man, and to this thing, a man using a leopard mask, and then it goes to this thing. It is a bear, and then we goes to this thing. It's a panda. Yeah, so yeah, it's awesome. Believe me, if even though they are animals, they can fight. I mean, they can't fight like goddamn. So yeah, after I eat, I usually play games or watching YouTube videos. And right now I'm going to watch. I'm going to play this game, and this is my favorite character, by the way. His name is Leroy. I love him because he uses Wing Chun. Look at his stance. Look at that boy. So yeah, that's my day.